If you want an easy way to gather and show the customer feedback, whether text reviews, voice comments, or video testimonials, then Feedspace might be exactly what you need. It helps you to collect, organize, and publish the testimonials in a clean and professional way by saving your time and improving the trust for your business. So, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover tools that save time, build the credibility, and make your work smoother. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the Feedspace lifetime deal from the AppSumo. And if you use the link from description, you will get some discount that will apply automatically. So grab the deal from the description link. And let's talk about what Feedspace does, how it works, and when it's a good fit for you, and when you may need to check the carefully. Feedspeed is a web-based testimonial and feedback platform that allows you to collect the reviews from customer in multiple formats like text, audio, or the video. That means if a customer prefers to type or record a voice note or shoot a short video, Feedspace support all of there. Getting started is very easy. You simply create a review form inside the Feedspace and you can choose which type of feedback you allow, text, audio, or video. And you can set up the optional fields like name, emails, job title, company, etc. And even customize the instructions so people know what to send. Then you share the form link or a QR code via the email, website, social media, or direct message, and customers use that link to record or upload their testimonials directly from their browser or phone and without needing any special login. Since submissions come in, all feedback lands in your feed box, a dashboard where you can manage everything: review, video clips, audio files, or text messages, and you can edit for the typos, approve or reject the entries, tag the favorites, or categorize based on project or service. This central hub gives you full control before you publish anything publicly. After organizing testimonials, Feedspace helps you to showcase them elegantly. You can build a wall of love, basically a collection page or widget with your best testimonials, and you can embed it on your website or share it as a link. This works across the WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, etc. It supports different layouts and lets you to mix the format types like the text, audio, and the video to offer the authentic social proof of the visitors. Another helpful feature, Feedspace can import the existing reviews from many reviews platforms like Google, Trustpilot, social media, or other review sites. So you don't lose any past feedback. And in that way, even if you already have reviews scattered online, you can bring them back all into one unified place for easier management. For many business like freelancers, small agencies, service providers, or e-commerce shops, this saves a lot of time. Instead of chasing clients for reviews or copy pasting the feedback from different places, everything becomes automatic and centralized. Because Feedspace offers a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you can pay one time and you can use it forever. And in that way, it becomes a cost-effective way to get the long-term testimonials management. For small teams or solo business owners, that is especially valuable. However, as with any tool, there are some trade-off also, and that to be aware of. On lower or free plans, some advanced feature may be limited. For example, the custom domain, white labeling, or certain limits on video length or the number of testimonials. Also, because the public forms and widgets may use Feedspace default branding unless you upgrade, your testimonial pages might look less your branding and more than the third party. If you want fully white label presentation, especially for clients, you may need the higher tier of plan. So if you value the simplicity, flexibility like text, audio, and the video, then centralized feedback management and the cost effective pricing with lifetime access on AppSumo for the Feedspace this is very odds to trying. So that's all for today's video. Now I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like honest and the straightforward tool reviews like this, then subscribe the Easy Access Tech channel, and don't forget to use the link from description to get the lifetime deal. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.